And today we have an excited little boy here. Colty's getting a tablet. This is a 10-inch Android-powered tablet. It's in HD, and we're going to set it up for him to watch his videos and to play his games. How cool is that? Are you excited?
Yeah.
All right, let's go ahead. We're going to open it up and see what it has, and then we're going to let Colty play with it, and we're going to go over some of the specs and details as well. So let's go ahead. Now this is already set up for kids, and I'm going to show you why. When you take the top off, you do have a manual in the top. But check out this. It is pink. This tablet actually comes with a case. Now this case is that nice rubberized case, so if you drop it, it's going to protect the pad. The pad does have a 10-inch screen. It has a camera on the front. It has a camera in the back. The case has a handle for easy carry, and you can also use it as a stand, just like this. You fold that to the back, and then you can use the case as a stand, so they don't have to always hold their tablet. Do you think that's cool?
Mm-hmm. My wife.
So what do you think about it?
Yeah, well, you want to see this trick?
See this trick? Yes, you can lean it on stuff too, huh?
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome. It does charge with a USB-C charger. And what we're going to do is, we're going to go ahead and let Colty get comfy with this tablet and let him start trying it out. And we're going to see what his reaction is and how he likes it. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's do that. So Colty's in his chair. He's got his new pad here, his new tablet. Mm-hmm. Let's go ahead, see if you can turn it on. I showed you how. How do you turn it on? Mm-hmm. Remember, right here. You got a little single button right there. Okay, look, the screen lit up.
I don't know what the password is, but I did that.
It's just like your computer. I set it up that way.
Oh.
Are you ready? Swipe up. Now put in your password.
Where's my password?
Don't tell nobody. Oh, did you get in?
Mm-hmm. It has this game.
What else did I put on there for you? I put Roblox.
Mm-hmm.
I see, I put Roblox, I put that game, and you have YouTube.
Yeah.
Which one you want to try first?
Roblox.
And Carter logged you into your account. How cool is that?
Look at it's so funny.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
What do you think? Is it pretty cool?
And look, you will hear the sound. I'm gonna press play on this game.
What is that sound? Oh, you're gonna have to play something different. I'm gonna turn it down for a second, okay? So the little tablet has a 10-inch screen. It uses an A133 chip. It runs off of Android. It's got 4 gigabytes of RAM. It's got 64 gigabytes of ROM. The front camera is 2 megapixel. The rear camera is 5 megapixel. It's got a 6,000 mAh battery. It is touchscreen and multi-touch. And the operating system is Android 12. So it's a nice little tablet, especially for your little ones, because it comes with the protective cases.
I'm playing this game. Escape the alien prison.
Oh, okay. And it's super intuitive and easy for him to use. And now he's going to have his own little tablet. What do you think, Colty?
It's cool! Okay, that's then now we got to show everybody that.
Okay, we will. So if you're thinking about getting your little one a tablet, this will be a great starter tablet right here. They can play their online games. They can watch their videos. They can do schoolwork if need be. And just regular daily task. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.